I guess Quark didn't eliminate them.
How observant of you.
Thank you, sir.
Now if you were only so diligent in doing your own job!
Yes, sir.
Since our new planet is nearly finished, we need a plan to remove the world that is occupying our selected orbit. This time it must be absolutely foolproof. Time is wasting.
Hey, what were you here in the first part? Well, not really. You only saw that cutscene. Hey guys, it's me, GoGoMan PSN, in the Dude Let's Play, and welcome to Ratchet Clank Part 16. And today we'll be doing remember that cutscene where we saw Clank escape? Well, we're in this planet, and we have 2 missions to do. Well, actually 3. So, in this first mission, we'll just be swimming here, and we're gonna find something essential to making grinding for bolts easier. And it's a gimmick. Yeah, gimmick. You see, there's electrocuted water, and you can turn it off. It's only off for 1 minute, so you better haul your butt there like you never haul your butt there ever. Alright. So I also have to go for these rings. Yeah, Superman 64 lives to open the door. Yeah, it says Superman 64 lives. Because who likes going through rings? Anyone? Anyone? I don't know. Yeah, because Superman 64 is one of the worst games ever. Alright. And now we're just gonna do this. And also recording this on the sound recorder through my laptop mic because, well, I still cannot open my PLA. I plan on uploading this part 2 days. So we got it. And let's see what it is.
Oh, yeah!
Okay, let's see what it does. That's it. The bolts will finally go to you. You don't want to have to do it. I'm sick of, going to get the bolts and all that. Well, don't worry. Just get the bolt grabber. It will come to you automatically. Gadgetron. I love a gadget. Oh, we're going into the main missions now. Now let's just test out this weapon here. A staple of the series, a weapon that turns someone to animal. Alright? So these robot goes in there and they're quite annoying. You'll be seeing them in the 3rd mission. Alright? And I'm actually doing the whole entire plan, all the missions, because I recorded the whole entire game. Alright? At this point. So right now, strafing is going to be good here, I guess. The blaster is also a great weapon. This is the only playthrough where I see all these weapons. Heck, I thought I would game with the bomb glove a long time. But nope, these are all the weapons I have here. Well, that's because that's something I don't want. I mean, the Ripya new one, aka a Rhino, is something I will only get through my free time and not through the Let's Play. Alright? Alright. So, yeah. That's it. Oh yeah, I also saw the hour live stream of Nexus. Well, only an hour. No, only the 20 minutes of it. I want to see the whole game content while more than the interview. And I got more information in the video. Seriously, no thruster pack. And what's funny is that there's a petition to get the thruster pack into the Nexus, which is quite. I like the thruster pack, but I don't think it's something worth making a whole petition just to get in the game. But who knows? I like the thruster pack. But seriously, and they confirmed the PS2 characters are still not going to be into the Nexus. No Big Al, no Skid, no all those characters. You love those characters? Well, too bad. They only use return Quark. I wish they can just return the PS2 characters. They had the really. It was called Full Frontal Assault is called Q-Force in Europe. Alright, there's cutscene, so let's see you after it.
Was it pi over infinity, or...
Hey! You need help fixing that thing?
Actually, I'm trying to destroy it.
Why?
I was contracted to re-engineer my enlarging machine to create huge, heavily armed mechs.
So that's where those mechs came from.
Precisely. Had I known Drek was behind this, I never would have done it.
Is there anything we can do?
Well, if you'll volunteer to be enlarged, you may be able to stop those mechs long enough for me to sabotage this machine.
And then you will change me back?
I've never tried that, but in theory, yes.
Alright, so let's go. Hulk Clank! Yeah, now we're the Hulk and we're gonna destroy everything. Boom shakalaka. Anyways, seriously, what I said in Full the game is called Q-Force in Europe and none of the Q-Force members returned. That was just a missed opportunity. Alright, we're a giant Clank and we're gonna be freaking huge and destroy everything, which is awesome. Well, I'm liking going commando, that better smell better. And you'll see why. Although, there's one thing I would love to say once we get the ranks. I will kill you, fudge you. Alright. Alright, we're here.
Energy bar is
See?
full. Press the triangle button to
9,000! Yes! He can shoot lasers! Okay, just say something, Dragon Ball Z. I don't care what you guys say. Okay, I have no knowledge of Dragon Ball Z at all. 9,000! I feel like saying that. Alright, Super Saiyan. Clank is a Super Saiyan, trying to destroy. Alright. You can shoot missiles on an article, you won't be seeing much of that until the final part. This is also one of the rare moments in the game you get to be a giant Clank. We'll be not seeing that until the final part. And this part's not that challenging at all. Just do 9,000! And you can kill them. Alright. Seriously, look at this. I'm killing every one of them. Oh, ambush? Too bad. Too bad. Fudge you. Fudge you. Fudge you. Hug! Alright. I was gonna say that, but I died. Hadouken! 9,000! Alright. I had to say it, okay? I had to. Alright. So, Clank is almost done here. It's quite fun. It's going commando is a bit funner. We'll be seeing that on that Let's Play. So, we're done.
Well done! Just step into the machine and we'll see what happens.
Nice to have you back, I guess.
I've recalibrated the controls to allow only your specific circuit pattern.
Oh, perfect.
I don't know how to thank you two. Maybe this'll help.
New! From Gadgetron, the makers of weapons and other fine products, comes the Hollow Guys. With the Hollow Guys, you can fool robots into thinking you're one of them. Match your wits against other robots. Work on robotic assembly lines. Attend robot parties. The Hollow Guys. Available only at Gadgetron headquarters for a limited time. Not to be used for illegal purposes. We're only in sanctioned areas. You will not actually become a robot.
If I can get that thing, I'll be able to get past those robot guards.
Robots are not so easily fooled.
Ah, what's that?
What?
Okay, I'm supposed to go to the next part again, but because I recorded the whole entire game, I might as well share this because I had enough of doing that 1 or 2 out of 2 thing since I have unlimited video minutes. So I'm just gonna show it for no reason, okay? So we're the Hollow Guys, and right now, let's just say hi. Alright, see? And let's assassinate him. Assassinate! Boom! Shakalaka. Alright, you see, the Hollow Guys allows you to become a robot disguise, and for some reason, they believe a short pipsqueak like you is really a robot. And yeah. And this is not the only time we're seeing these disguises in the series. We'll be seeing a little bit about that more, but we have a long way until we see that. I'm just say, wow, wave 5. Idiots. They believe a pipsqueak is actually a robot. and we just assassinated him. This game's a blast from beginning to end. Alright. So yeah. Now over here, see? Really? I picked people that boys don't want to travel all the time. They do know, alright? Just fool them a little bit here. Alright, let's just wait for the assassination. Just adjusting my seat. My chair is really, you know, really noisy. You hear those bangs in those videos. Sounds like me opening cases, but no, not at all. Let's kill them. Die, 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 die. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I plan on uploading this part and then this part and the last part today, all today, because, well, why not, I suppose. Alright, so right now we're just going to do it. Alright, let's get our suit.
You will have to destroy those sentry bots. Make sure they do not press the alarm button.
Here's help desk. I know what's on, you know, desk. Let's just kill them all before they. Shit! They detected us. Come red. Okay, that's why you do not want to be detected. That will happen. Okay? You get? Okay, you did weird. Alright, I failed. Never mind, I won't say that for the last part. And they detected me. What you want to do is get the hell out of there. And there was now for some reason the door not, you know, closing in the right part. Alright. So right now we're just gonna, and they're just gonna shoot. And I died. But chaos control! I destroyed him, alright? So right now we're just gonna be here for bolt's sake. I love this one easy. Well, you know how you destroy them? Just aim. It's extra bolts, okay? This level is also really catchy, I guess. The music's pretty catchy, guys. Alright. So right now, we're just gonna destroy him. And yeah. So yeah, we're now just destroy it. Alright, we destroyed it. Really destroyed it. Alright, okay, get back there and activate it. And there. Well, I should look jump cut here because my mom came home and I actually had to help her out because she was bringing the groceries, so I had to jump cut there. Assassinate. Die. And then my dad's lagging again. My friend was clicking Monster Games and told me that to fix the lag, you can just fast forward the footage. I'll look into that. But I don't want to do fast forward the footage for, like, you know, the second. Alright, what we will do is, except for that death, kill all these guards, or kill them, just kill them to survive, because you're gonna need to survive, okay? So yeah, this mission's dragging on a bit long. I have nothing else to really say, but we're near the end. And look, idiot. Alright, I just killed him. And I just saw him coming through the door. You think the AI would be a bit more smart, but no, they aren't. They really aren't. They're just programmed to do it. Really. I mean, really. I can't believe this. How the AI would do this. So right now we're just gonna go through here. And now we're just going. And this is the last part. I'm just gonna take the bolt from. and destroy their machines just for no reason. Disrespectfulness. Alright. Alright. So right now we're just gonna destroy the last one. Or get both bolts. Then destroy it. Alright. So right now we're just gonna destroy those. But first, let's grind. Boom, boom, boom. 3 bolts. Alright. Let's get some bolts here. I'm done. Alright. So we're finally done. Or just get your butt out there. Then get the hull, guys. And walk slowly. Now let's slowly assassinate him. Alright. So right now we're gonna move and move. I'm a bit tired. I know, I just woke up like an hour ago. I'm just doing this video. Alright. We're near the end, so I'll see you at the cutscene.
That should do it.
Mom?
Oh, brother.
I tried, Mom. I know.
Hey, look! A sister!
My fellow Blarg, our synthetic world is now fully functional and ready for habitation. However, there is one small obstacle in our way. This pathetic lump of a planet. Due to some blunder of fate, it happens to occupy the galaxy's most perfect orbit. But no more. Behold, the Deplanetizer, the most powerful laser ever created. Soon, we'll move the Deplanetizer into place just above the planet's surface. I will, of course, be on hand to press the button that will blow this mudball to smithereens. No one will even miss it. See you then!
Ratchet, are you all right?
He is going to pay!
Excuse me?
It shouldn't have taken me this long to see it! Drek is going to find out what happens when you mess with my home! What are you smiling at?
This is the Ratchet I always knew was there.
Okay, if we're gonna do this, we need to get onto Drek's ship. And then we can find out where he set up that laser.
I will try to make you proud, Mom.
Aww. Alright, anyways, we're going for the side for clamping. Now we may be supposed to go to the next planet with Drekis, but no. Since I did this recording like late, we have to go to the next planet and see how I got that futuristic. So okay, so anyways guys, this is the end of part 16, I guess. So like, subscribe, tell me your thoughts in the video, and I'll see you on the next part.